How to stop emails going to spam in Gmail. So if you want to stop the emails going to spam in your Gmail, then what you need to do is there are many reasons why emails get flagged as spam in Gmail. Most emails go to spam due to Gmail's predefined spam filters. In most cases, it's something more obvious, like emails that contain promotional links or spam rewards. If the person sends the same email to the large number of recipients, all the emails will probably go straight to the spam. So, in order to fix that, first of all, you need to open up your Gmail. You can go with gmail.com, log into your account, and after that, you need to go with the search. And if it's from a particular sender, then you can just simply search for the particular sender's email. And after that, you'll have the filter option. But you can also go with from colon and then enter the person's email. And once you've selected, you need to go with filters, which is on the top right. You'll get this kind of interface. And here you will have create filter option. Click on create filter. And here you will have an option of never send it to the spam. Once you've clicked on it, you need to go with create filter. And once you've created the filter, then it will never send the emails that you've received from this person to spam. And go with create filter. So that's it. That's how you can stop emails from going to spam in your Gmail. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.